Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the unsupported Pak hash format error in the Apex Legends game in both EA or the Steam. I will show you guys the three effective solutions that you need to apply one by one and see which fixes your problem. So first open up your Steam or the EA games and just click on the Apex Legends game and just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now go to the install files and now here click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your unencrypted files. Then just play the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your game is installed on the EA library, then you can simply open up the EA games and simply repair the game. After that, guys, the next solution is you can open up your Windows Explorer and open up the users folder, and then you can open up your account name folder. And once you open up your account name folder, here you will see the saved games folder, so you can open it. Now here you will see the respawn folder, so you can open it. You will see the Apex folder, just open it. And now here you will see the assets folder. You just need to right click on that and delete this folder. And guys, once you deleted the folder, now open up the EA games or the Steam and just play the game, and your problem is definitely fixed after this solution. Guys, this is the second solution to fix this problem. If your problem is not fixed, then the next solution will definitely fix your problem. So you can go back, you will see the respawn folder. So you can right click on the respawn folder and just delete this folder. Guys, once you delete the respawn folder, just go back to the EA games or the Steam and just repair the verify integrity of game files. Click on the gear icon, go to the properties. Now go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. Now guys, once you click on that, now this built-in function will start downloading the new game files in which we delete the recently corrupted files. It can download it, the new game files, and then after that you can also do the same step with the EA games. Then you can simply restart your PC. After the restart, just launch the game and hope this fixes your problem. And guys, if one of the solution worked for you, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.